Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to showcase the list of accessories that I have bought for my Kia Sonet over the past 1 year. Since I bought the top-end GTX Plus model as soon as it was released, it came with all the bells and whistles like the crystal cut alloy wheels, electronic sunroof, automatic LED headlamps, projector fog lights, front and rear parking sensors and defoggers, Bose 7-speaker system with LED sound mood lights, 10.25-inch HD touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, leather-wrapped steering wheel, gear knob and door armrests, ventilated driver and passenger seats, wireless charger for smartphones, front and rear armrests with storage box and cup holders, anti-glare rear view mirror, sunglass holder, air purifier with virus protection, a bunch of USB ports, central locking system, remote engine start on smart key with push start button, and the list goes on and on and on. I won't bore you with the specs of the car. You can find those in several other YouTube videos or even the company website. The items that I will be showing you were not included in the car package when I bought the car. Most of the items are third-party accessories, while some of them are genuine Kia accessories. If you like any of the products, then you can find the respective links in the description below. And if you decide to buy any of the products using those links, then it will definitely help out this channel. Having said that, let's get started with today's video. Let's cover the exterior accessories first, then we'll move on to the interior accessories, and then finally to the list of items needed at the time of an emergency that I think everyone should keep in their cars. First up, a set of 4 car door edge guards. Door edge guards protect your vehicle from hitting other cars when you open your door. However, these cannot fully defend your vehicle against nicks, dents, and scratches. Still, something is better than nothing. Up next, a set of 4 chrome finger guards. These finger guards protect your car from accidentally scratching your car with small objects in your hands such as keys at the time of opening and closing the doors. After that, we have a set of 4 door visors. Door visors allow the windows of the car to be kept open in the event of light rain so that you can enjoy the rains as well as ensure that the car windshields do not fog up due to humidity. They also act as wind deflectors and reduce the wind noise inside the cabin, especially at high speeds. Fourth item on the list is a blind spot mirror. A blind spot mirror is used to show the driver parts of the road that are hidden from their vision. It essentially lets you keep track of the car lurking behind you, and you can also change lanes without compromising your safety. The second last item on our list is a leather key cover. This stylish leather key cover can give you assurance that your key would be safe from accidental minor scratches and from getting slightly wet. Superior quality at a low price. And the last item on the list of exterior accessories are a set of 4 mud flaps, also known as splash guards or mud guards. These accessories are highly functional and useful for protecting your car from all kinds of dirt, mud, and grime. Now let's head over to the interior of the car. First up, 7D floor mats. These mats give unparalleled protection for your car floor carpet. New improved stiff grass mat traps dirt and is easy to clean. It has a grass-like finish and is very durable. As you can see, it covers every inch of the floor where your legs can possibly reach. Second item on the list is a 3D trunk mat, also known as boot mat. It protects the original boot carpeting of the car, and it is mainly designed to cover the entire boot space. It prevents wetting the original boot carpeting from accidentally spill off any liquid stored in the boot as well. Very useful. Third item is a lightweight adjustable phone holder with a very long telescopic arm for better viewing angles. This holder has a one-touch mounting system that locks and releases the phone with just one finger push. The telescopic arm adds about 2 inches for closer viewing. The soft cushioning on the sides and at the bottom ensure great support to the device. I keep this holder right next to the steering wheel to easily access it during incoming calls. The next item is also a phone holder, however, it is not meant for the driver, at least in my case. It is in particular useful for the rest of the passengers in case they decide to watch some movie or video during a trip. Very useful in case you have kids in the rear seats. It doesn't have the telescopic arm since that is not really required in this case. Moving on, we have the 70 MAI A800 4K dual channel dashcam. I had recently purchased a front and rear dashcam combo for my Kia Sonet, and it is absolutely worth every penny. I had also made an unboxing and review video of the same. If you're looking for a good dashcam for your car, then you might want to check out this video. You will be able to find the link to the dashcam video on the top right corner of your screen now. As you already know, dashcams may become a necessity during a mishap. Like they say, it's better to have it and not use it than to use it and not have it. The last items in the interior accessories list are headrests. I bought 2 different sets of headrests for the front and rear seats. As you can see, the rear headrests are more cushiony compared to the front ones. Reason for that are 1. I like the design of the front headrests, and 2. I don't want to get too comfortable, which may become the reason to sleep while driving and may result in an accident. Finally, let's check out a list of 9 items that I think may come in handy in case of an emergency, especially when you're on a trip and end up being stranded in the middle of nowhere. First, fire extinguishers. No explanation required whatsoever. This can help put out the fire in your car. I keep 2 of these in either sides of the front row. Second, a multi-mode flashlight that comes packed with inbuilt seatbelt cutter, a window breaker, beacon lights, and a powerful magnetic base. This one tool will help you get out of your car with ease, and at the same time will warn other cars during nighttime while you change a flat tire. Next up, we have a multifunction army knife. The advantages of having an army knife are many. The main one is that you can get several additional tools in one, in addition to being small enough to carry anywhere. The army knife has a main blade as well as several other tools that are stored inside the knife handle through a pivot mechanism. In our 4th item on the list, we have a laptop charger for your car. As you can see, I have the Targus model. This device will allow you to quickly charge a laptop and a USB tablet or smartphone at the same time from your car's electrical socket. Very handy gadget for working passengers in long trip. Up next, we have a tire puncture kit. Having these puncture repair kits would mean that you can get flat tires fixed anywhere and continue with your endeavor smoothly. Very cheap accessory with a major advantage. The next item is a tire inflator from Codio. This inflates tires fast and easy with maximum pressure of 300 psi. It is equipped with a pressure checking gauge, however I noticed that it is not very accurate. It also has a bright light and a lasher for nighttime use along with a compressor. Our next item is a tire gauge also from Codio. This helps you to read the tire pressure easily and very accurately, unlike the last item on the list. The shock resistant and release button holds the value until the button is pressed. It reduces the tire air by giving accurate value. Very handy tool in case the tire gets overinflated. The second last item on the list is a 500 amp heavy duty booster cable, also known as jumper cables. To provide enough power to jumpstart vehicles, jumper cable gauges are used. A jump start is a procedure of starting a motor vehicle that has a discharged or depleted battery. Very useful in case the battery of your car dies and there is no service center around. And finally, the 9th and last item in our list is a steel towing rope. In trouble situations like vehicle breakdowns, exiting from a ditch, starting the engine, or stuck in the traffic jam, car towing ropes are extremely handy. And to top it off with a steel towing rope rather than some cloth material, it will give you peace of mind on your way to the mechanic. Well guys, these were the list of accessories that I had bought for my Kia Sonet over the past 1 year. Hope you found at least some of the items useful, if not all. As already informed, links for the accessories can be found in the description below, and if you decide to buy any of the products using those links, then it will definitely help out this channel. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and after you have subscribed, hit the bell icon as well to be notified as soon as my next video comes out. Do like and share this video with your family and friends. Until next time, take care.